Hey there, adventurous souls! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of digital nomads and how online business ventures can transform your life into a location-independent adventure. In today's video, we're diving into the realm of digital nomads, those remarkable individuals who have embraced a lifestyle of working and traveling simultaneously, free from the confines of traditional office spaces. If you've ever dreamt of exploring the world while earning a living, then you're in the right place. I'm here to share what it means to be a digital nomad and why online business ventures are incredibly appealing to those seeking the freedom to work from anywhere with just an internet connection. So, let's jump right in. The digital nomad lifestyle. Digital nomads are individuals who have chosen a location-independent lifestyle. They have freed themselves from the traditional 9-to-5 office routine and instead work remotely from various destinations around the world. These adventurous souls are able to explore new cultures, experience different environments, and truly embrace the world as their office. Whether it's sipping coffee in a bustling cafe, typing away on a beachside hammock, or setting up shop in a co-working space, digital nomads have the freedom to design their work environment to suit their preferences and desires. Freedom and flexibility. One of the main reasons why online business ventures are so attractive to digital nomads is the freedom and flexibility they offer. By building an online business, digital nomads can work from anywhere with an internet connection. This means they can choose their travel destinations, set their own schedules, and prioritize experiences over the traditional constraints of a fixed office location. This level of freedom allows digital nomads to fully immerse themselves in new cultures, explore breathtaking landscapes, and have the flexibility to adapt their work to their travel plans. Work-life integration. For digital nomads, work-life integration takes on a whole new meaning. The lines between work and play become blurred as they have the freedom to work in inspiring environments and explore their passions while maintaining their income streams. Digital nomads can pursue their personal interests, whether it's hiking, surfing, or simply soaking up the local culture, all while maintaining their online businesses. This integration allows them to create a fulfilling lifestyle that harmoniously combines work and adventure. And there you have it, adventurous souls. Digital nomads are the epitome of a location-independent lifestyle, working and traveling simultaneously, fueled by the freedom that online business ventures provide. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and remember, the world is your office. Embrace the digital nomad lifestyle, create an online business, and embark on a life of adventure, freedom, and endless possibilities. Safe travels, and until next time, keep exploring.